site at SILKY CH. NPP to get national party status soon. E-rickshaw loans as demanded by Quokta residents. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is SILKY CH with the news in detail. A team led by acting chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission, Khaidam Mani, today inspected the railway tunnel site at SILKY CH, where the villagers are facing difficulties due to the tunnel construction work. It has been said that Yambum Lop, which is the village only source of water, has been completely drawn away for the purpose of the construction. Besides, the villagers have been affected by chemical and cement-laced water dripping from the worksite of the ongoing Jiri Tupul Imphal railway project.
Moigi tunnel hutpagi khogi ising thadorakpa si phatte dana khoi mamangda khogi department kya ma DC ko thara wari chanarabani ado mamangda yam free oin thadaramne ado DC ga yawra matungda moina moi reservoir saraga khoi ising je phattaba thadoroi fajana niyom chumna thadorane ado ngasi mayam ju ubirangani project lairi basi filter oiribra oidardu mayam ta yengbiyo tu mayam loi khangna matri bata ai khoi si Hojik koi da mi oiba koi di ising leraga thae adu ko yum da loiba sa sandi akoina thangna ba ising mo phangtra koi buji pukhi ising loi kangre aduna sa sandi ising nu thakwa phangda bina sidagi chendaraga thalakpa ising thakwana hojik koi sa sanji laina puna khangdana dum sa san sijalak ko khosal mayam ju thengna re ba aduna masigi awa basi mari laina ba department na mieng changbiu hai basi haijaninge.
During the visit, Khaidam Mani assured that he would consult with the concerned government departments to ease the woe of SILKY CH.
Akoina uriba awaba prajasingna safar tawriba tawguduriba mayamse masi hakthenglana urabanina nakal sarkar gi PICED gi agriculture department gi horticulture gi aduga loinana water resources department gi moigi representation natraga moigi report asi kaurerga report mayam si tarerga petitioner ge makai degi adu praja singi adumba mayam se moi kari haningi haibasi tarerga commission na sarkar gi maril dinaba authority da chapcha na tawpham thokpa recommendation asi pinena ba honagani.
The Election Commission of India, ECI, is likely to grant national party status to the National People's Party, NPP. According to sources, the NPP has fulfilled the required criteria to qualify as a national party after winning 5 seats in the recently held Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly election. The ECI notification on granting national party status to NPP is likely to be announced this week. It will be the first political party from Northeast to get the status. The NPP, which is a partner in the ruling NDA in center, was founded by former Lok Sabha Speaker Purno Agitok Sangma in January 2013. The veteran Garo leader and the tallest parliamentarian from Northeast had floated the party after his expulsion from the Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. In addition to winning 5 seats in Arunachal Pradesh, the NPP is the single largest political party in Meghalaya and has 21 members in the 60-member House. The party president, Conrad K. Sangma, is the chief minister of the state. Quokta Municipal Council Chairperson Muhammad Meharuddin stated that e-rickshaw was launched at Quokta as demanded by the people since e-rickshaw reduces environment pollution as well as increases the economy. Speaking at the launch function of Quokta e-rickshaw under Quokta Municipal Council in collaboration with All Manipur Meitei Pangal E-Rickshaw Cooperative Society and Radiant E-Ride, he said that e-rickshaw was launched after thorough discussion with Kwakta Municipal Council and Moirang Municipal Council. E-rickshaw will be more convenient for the public since it will take even a single passenger anywhere rather than diesel auto, which won't go until there are 4-5 passengers, he added. The rickshaw will provide services from Kwakta Municipal Council area to different places of Moirang constituency. 20 e-rickshaws were launched today.
pollution break down e-rickshaw municipal council society 20 launch
Sales manager of Radiant E-Ride, L. Jiban said that E-Ride, which is a branch of Radiant Group, launched a Green Manipur campaign from March of this year by providing 0% down payment to 10 beneficiaries nominated by Kwakta Municipal Council.
Green Manipur campaign so pollution free state benefits
One e-rickshaw driver stated that this will not only control air pollution but will also help generate income as well. Councillor of Kwakta Municipal Council also attended the event. With Lamjingba Group's acquired Kangla Food products in April this year, all products will be available in the market now after a gap. Lamjingba Group is one of the leading companies in Manipur providing various services. Kangla Food initially manufactured 30 different food items, and now additional items like edible oil and different chakhao products will be added. Kangla Food Production Manager Tonjam Anand Kumar Singh said Kangla Food is located at Nambol Phojing Makalekai, Bisnupur district. Anand Kumar said people coming from outside like to eat chakhao, Manipuri black rice, and Lamjingba Group is planning to produce different chakhao items.
Lamjingba Group na ngasi yamna nungairaba June gi tang taruk 2019 gi nungairaba sagol sigi pungpham asida thungsoi soidana ngasidagi akhoi production puthokpa haunanabagi sem saba loijare.
Lamjingba Motors Private Limited observed the World Environment Day today at the premises of Assembly of God School and Interstate Bus Terminus ISBT Kumalampak, Imphal. Authorities of Assembly of God along with officials of Lamjingba Motors Private Limited planted several saplings of tree at the school campus, and later leaflets conveying message on climatic change were also distributed to many individuals participating in emission days and vehicle fitness days conducted by the State Transport Department at ISBT. Talking on the sidelines of the event, HR of Lamjingba Motors Private Limited, Namirapam Prasanta stated that the primary objective of the program was to keep a check on climate change by planting more trees. On the other hand, one of the administrators of Assembly of God School, Mary Sakum, expressed her gratitude to Lamjingba Motors Private Limited for taking such an initiative to save the Mother Earth.
Environment yamna chawa impact ama pirabanina climatic condition jida adugidamak akoina u cha khar thajaraba matungda kitang climatic chi kitang change ama laknanaba amadi miyoibagi akoigi samaj ki yaifanabagi damakta plan je thajagena akoi honajabani.
And we hope that such initiatives will be taken down in the future also to make our land green again.
Manipuri singer Mandakini Takhelambam has clarified that she had plannedly narrated her life story during a gospel program recently held at Kasar, Assam, and that it did not mean to her the sentiment of any group.
Aina lizakiba wari ado ai punsigi oina thokiba thodok ama icham chamna sengna thamoida kemta khandana mayamna lana khangani habase kem khaludana ai Christian gi program mafam si daina lijarambani ado wari sibu tabiriba ingbiruba ichinnaw singi maraktagi thamoi sokpa yaurgadi maduna hena aisu nungaijade ado ai wari punsigi wari ama lijabani na khanbiraga mayamna aibu ai wari do kano haidi wari do tabiba ichinnaw singna ai wari do tabiba mayam sinsina ngakpiu.
Rongmei Students Organization Manipur RSOM has said that the matter regarding floating of Rongmei Kabui dance dress caught by some artists of Manipur film fraternity at Thangjing Lai Harauba festival on June 1 has been brought to an amicable settlement and understanding between the artists and the students' body. Informing this through a press statement, RSOM further appealed to all concerned to delete the videos of the festival and stop further posting them on the social media. New Alto 800 with advanced safety features was launched today at Eastern Motors Arena, Chingmairong, Imphal. The car is priced at Rs 3,03,000.
Yamna honglaba mamanda sumna tangi lakh ahunga lising ahungkhak tang puthokpiraga masi lawbagi khudok chaba sing akhoi bijari laiba akhoi gi customer sing akhoi gi samaj se le akhoi gi kaino mayam sibu not only gari sales tang nataba service ki facility mayam piba outlet sing sida su akhoi service ki facility mayam su bijari.
Now let's have a short break.
Admission open. Admission open.
Lagiba session 2019-20 की class 11 science में चलने बगी दमक International Modernized Academy इमा नोमेबुंग पुराना राजवाड़ी दे admission form थाजरे.
Mamang the subject toppers in Putopung Namkraba Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur the affiliate Tauba School ni.
Direct admission की kudong chaba pijari.
Karason ba mahiroi sing Tauba School si dasanglat padagi. Awang ba thak pass tawon mangamli ba school ni.
International Modernized Academy ima Co-Educational Higher Secondary School asina ahan bala ko the kudong chaba pijari. Akag na masik karakakani.
Hen ako pa marol kita magtanabiyo.
7005-924-656.
Bawag century ba?
Managing Director, International Modernized Academy ima Nomoybung Purana Rajbari near Kushum Oil Pump.
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyang ki seba da leijari apamba service khanbiyu economic rate ₹15 per kilometer standard rate ₹25 per kilometer luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer with base fare of ₹40 Manipur ki district singi maru oina Senapati Ukhrul Churchanpur Kakching More Chandela chingba sing Chananabagisu ataba mamalda book tawbiba yaragani. Manipur gi mapan gi lamsing haibadi Guwahati, Shillong, Dimapur, Silchar na chingba sing chananabagisu book tawbiyu loinana luhongba amadi atopa thabak thorom ki damakta su akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupa marol ki damak contact tawbiyu aikhoi gi contact number 1800102795 natraga 8794613154 aikoigi website www.lamjingbacafe.com.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalu ne.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
O phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawgi awaba lehendaba school du da dum changnai coaching tohonba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su puthokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba nanba khwaidagi phaba school.
Last pakhong Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Asian Girls Academy da class 11 science tamnana bagi admission form thajare school sida qualified oiraba mani mapung phana train torbo oja singna takpi tambiri mapung phana same sarba kusukulai folam suna thamlaba laboratory sing sang naina weekly the monthly test pangthokli subject khuding mapan gi expert na counseling piri ngi mangal pibaga loinana fajaba moral character tambiduna lamdam sida nupi singi tha wakhal hanamgi pandam na linkaliba Asian Girls Academy Sagolban NC Road Bijoy Govinda mamang lekai
India gi top university singi marakta ama oiriba Assam Downtown University, Guwahati the Engineering, Management, Nursing, Pharmacy, Hotel Management, Paramedical the Ming Chanbining Basingna, Sitful Oidringai the Nasimak Lakpiduna Ming Chanbiyu. Admission Office, Assam Downtown University, Babupara, Bosemlerek Imphal.
Welcome back. Some unknown miscreants planted two powerful improvised explosive devices, IEDs, in two separate incidents in Imphal East last night. However, a bomb disposal squad of Manipur police later removed the IEDs and defused. In the first incident, an IED was found placed at the residence of one Yumkham Dinesh, aged 54 years, in Kurai Thaudam, Laikai under Porompat police station. Dinesh is said to be a special contractor. On receiving the information, Porompat police and team of bomb experts from CID rushed to the spot and retrieved the bomb and defuse. Separately, another IED was found at Bishop House, Mantripukri under Haingang police station around 7 this morning. A team of Haingang police and a CID bomb disposal squad rushed to the spot and removed the bombs, which were later defused. Following the incidents, Imphal East police conducted massive search operation at Mantripukri, Marsilan. During the operation, 120 houses were searched, however, no one was picked up. After Tom TV telecast a news story about the dejected life of Langoizam Naucha, her mother and immobile brother Ranjoy have continued in Porin. Members of Kangleipak News Tengbang Loop, KMNLP extended monetary help to the poor family. KMNLP Publicity Secretary Rose Maibam handed over the money to Langoizam Ranjoy, who is currently undergoing treatment at Orthopedic Ward of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Janims, Imphal.
Kadai de kari shoi kida gena kitang go awaba ko na bidam ta koi Tom TV na koi awaba lam dam sida wana ta bak singbu koi pothok piduna koi miam de minna kong singan biduna asigum na koi na mateng pamang am jabani masigi damak ta su koi Tom TV bo kangai pa news tengbang lu ke mai kai dagi thagat ba phundo chari. Thank you.
Kangai pa news tengbang lu na ai gi damak ta mateng pang bidang ko se aina thagat chari.
The annual meeting of Sanamahi Lining Mifam meeting of Sanamahi followers will be held from June 19 till 21. In a press note, the Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple Board stated that the meeting will discuss various religious rituals and occasions. It also informed that interested individuals must come along with a written application to the board by 15 of June. It also urged every follower of Sanamahi to take part in the meeting. All Manipur Development Organization, MORE, held its third annual Felicitation cum Prize Distribution Program at the conference hall of the organization office, MORE. Students who cleared the SSLC examination 2019 were congratulated and presented with simple gifts on the occasion, where 3 teachers were also honored. Tengnopal District Superintendent T.H. Vikramjit Singh, Master Razib of 43 Assam Rifles, SDO MORE Dinesh Kumar, President Ekodom, MORE R.K. Sanayaima, President MCM, KBS Manian Thoiba, General Secretary, Tamil Sangam, KH Robinson ASP, SDPO Binoy Chongtham, DSP Thomas Tokchom, President Gorkha Samaj Durga Acharya and President MMCM Muhammad Jalaluddin attended the function. SPTH Bikramjit emphasized on the need to produce bright students for a better society. He also lauded the efforts of Ekodom. People in Jiribam have expressed displeasure against the Jiribam Municipal Council over the alleged messy management of waste at a trash dumping site located at Chindong Laikai. In this regard, a meeting was held last evening, which was chaired by Chairman of Mayra Club Chindong Laikai, Ahalpana El Radakanta. The issue arising out of the situation was discussed in the meeting. The meeting decided to submit a memorandum to the District Commissioner seeking his intervention in the matter. Failure of the concerned department to initiate action to sort out the issue at the earliest will compel the residents to launch protests, the meeting further decided. Loktak Development Authority LDA, under the theme Together We Can Beat Air Pollution, observed World Environment Day at Loktak Floating Hut, Loktak like yesterday. Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, who is also the MLA of Oinam Assembly Constituency, L. Radhakishore Singh, Project Director of LDA, L. Baton Singh, Upa Adakshiya of Bisnupur District, Jila Parishad, and Dinesh, Pradhan of Thanga Part 2 and Chandra were present at the event. L. Radhakishore, speaking during the event, emphasized on the need to protect and preserve the environment. He further said that a device will be installed to monitor air pollution soon in the 16 districts of Manipur.
막 레어 아이들이 하이버세 무슨 얘기 합니다. 그 니오이도 사실 지구가 그냥 인터넷 락스 무슨 월스트레가 거의 top-floor에 연유해 있는 뉴욕 지금시다 인디아리 무슨 도로에 그래서 땅이 무슨 그 environment이나 바꾸니 할 수 있어요.
L. Bhagaton said if Loktak Lake, which is the largest freshwater lake in the northeast, is polluted, the local residents residing nearby will suffer the most. As part of the program, 3 saplings were planted in and around Sendra Tourist Complex. Kunai Beekeepers and Producers Cooperation Limited, in connection with World Environment Day observance, planted 3 saplings at Kangbong Sanjabung in Imphal West District. Chairman of the company, S. Mangi said, flowers and trees provide food for honeybees and apiculture relies on them.
Yang kiri lobuk tersenai posisi organic oiba, chemical fertilizer, chemical pesticide senagum je, adu organic aku ni hayang pangai pothok mayam jisu organic oina koi hakchang loi fani.
3 saplings were planted across Thoubal district to mark the World Environment Day yesterday. Environment Kanbalup EKL Hairok planted a number of 3 saplings at Thoubal River Bank. Thoubal Jila Upa Adaksya Tinungsi and officer in charge of Hairok Police Station, Dayachan Sorokhaibam, flagged off a cycle rally held on the team Environment Kansi to mark the occasion. A large number of volunteers participated in the cycle rally, which traveled through entire Hairok area. Green Revolution Society Manipur, in collaboration with Charangpat Nepra Company and Youth of Lamding, also observed World Environment Day by planting 3 saplings in and around Charangpat Nepra Company and Lamding areas. MLA of Kangabok Assembly Constituency, O. Surjakumar, also took part in the event. Once again, let's have a short break.
प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना PMKVY की मखादा टेलरिंग, एम्ब्रॉयडरी, हैंडलूम, वीविंग, डाइंग, वापिंग, टेक्सटाइल डिजाइनर सिंह फ्री ट्रेनिंग पांगथोक सगदौरी ट्रेनिंग सिंह याविंग बसिंगना KB Philanthropy 5 की वेबसाइट www.kbphilanthropy.org रजिस्टर तौबियु अकोपा मरोल की दमक कॉल तौबियु 03852427 नत्रगा 8118936684 नत्रगा 8794276615
महई मणिपुर दा अहान मोइना UPSC MPSC न लौबा IAS IPS अमदी MCS न चिंगबा एग्जाम सिंगी प्रिपरेशन खक्तदा युमफम ओइबा अमदी हिरम असिदा खंग हेरबा ओजा सिंग खक्तना लमदिंग लमताकपा इंस्टीट्यूट नि महई की फैकल्टी सिंग असि UPSC एग्जाम की एक्सपीरियंस लेरबा मसा मसा की सब्जेक्ट का मपुंग फाना क्वालिफाइड ओइरबा ओजा सिंग नि मणिपुर दगी IAS IPS अमदी MCS न सिंगबा सर्विसेस ता माई पाकपा कैंडिडेट सिंग पुथोकपा हाइबसिना महई की पांदम नि महईना एग्जाम असिगा मरी लेनबा कोर्स खुदिंगमक क्वालिटी लेना अफोर्डेबल ओइबा फीस ता फंगले होना जनिंगबा थवाई यावजबा महिरोय सिंगिदमक मखल कयागी स्कॉलरशिप की तेंगमांगसु पीरी Lengsinbiraksi Mahai Civil Services Institute Kwakatel Bazaar
Nauka Hearing Aid Center Kumja lising Machapan Marifum Dodi Honachai Kuntramanga Hena Notice India Ahan Hearing Aid Clinic Moine Lereklaba Nauka Gi Infal Center Mahangjere TV Medifon Konjel Loinana Nil Kongum from the Tabangam the Awab Mayok Nedibana Al Kudimak Wabi Rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic Nasimak Lension Directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable Wedaba digital hearing aid Hapiu Tabangam Pangalwana Badomi Kangachana Single Powers Tambio I could lay from the Nagamapal Main Road Pawai Sangam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Welcome back. In a bid to improve the accessibility within the force, Assam Police is going to organize a day-long meeting between the top police officials and the constables in Guwahati tomorrow. This is first of its kind initiative in the state by Assam Police. Around 500 constables, about 5 or 6 representing a district and unit will assemble in Guwahati from across Assam for the interactive session. The event is planned considering that perspectives provided by the constables will help the force. The main idea is to improve policing on the ground and police-public interface. Tripura government is implementing major reforms in the educational sector to improve standards of education and bring the same at par with the national level. The State Education Department is constituting a Special Technical Educational Unit STEU, and altogether 67 schools in the state initially will have pre-primary or nursery classes. In a big blow to the Congress, which is reeling under a humiliating defeat in the recently concluded Lok Sabha elections, 12 of each 8 MLAs met Speaker P. Srinivas Reddy and gave him a representation seeking to merge the Congress Legislature Party with the TRS. The Congress strength in the 119-member House came down to 18 after the party's Telangana State Unit Chief Uttam Kumar Reddy tendered his resignation from the Assembly today after being elected to Lok Sabha from Nalgonda. Senior Congress legislator Gandra Venkata Ramana Reddy said the 12 MLAs decided to work with the Chief Minister for the development of the state. He further confirmed that they gave a representation to the Speaker requesting him to merge them with the TRS.
కాంగ్రెస్ కు ఒక్క సీటు కూడా రాదన్నారు. హుజురాబాద్ లో కాంగ్రెస్ కు నియోజకవర్గంలో ఎన్నికల మాయ మాటలు చెబుతున్న మహాకూటమి నేతలను ఓడించాలని పిలుపునిచ్చారు. జరగాలంటే టీఆర్ఎస్ ను గెలిపించాలన్నారు ప్రభుత్వ సలహాదారు వివేక్.
US President Donald Trump has threatened to hit China with tariffs on at least another $300 billion worth of goods, but said he thought both China and Mexico wanted a resolution in their trade disputes with the United States. While Trump said today that talks with China were ongoing, no face-to-face meetings have been held since May 10 when he sharply increased tariffs on China's goods worth $200 billion to 25%, prompting Beijing to retaliate. Tensions between the world's two largest economies have risen sharply since talks aimed at ending a festering trade war broke down in early May. In retaliation, China may target US companies in the trade war. The International Monetary Fund warned that escalating tariff threats were sapping business and market confidence and could slow global growth that is currently expected to improve next year. Now, before we wind up the news bulletin, the top stories once again. MHRC team inspects railway tunnel construction site at Sairamkul. NPP to get national party status soon. And e-rickshaw loans as demanded demand by Kwakta residents. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates. Thank you.